This is the multiple choice questions in Wired LANs, Ethernet from the book Data Communications and Networking by Behrouz A. Forouzan. 1 blank uses 4 twisted pairs. A. 1000 base LX. B. 1000 base T. C. 1000 base SX. D. None of these. Answer, B. 1000 base T. 2 1000 base SX, 1000 base LX, and 1000 base CX use blank block coding and blank line coding. A. 8B/10B, NRZ. B. 4B/5B, NRZ. C. 8B/10B, MLT3. D. 4B/5B, MLT3. Answer, A. 8B/10B, NRZ. 3 blank uses 2 fiber-optic cables. A. 100 base FX. B. 100 base T4. C. 100 base TX. D. None of these. Answer, A. 100 base FX. 4 blank uses 2 optical fibers and a shortwave laser source. A. 1000 base LX. B. 1000 base SX. C. 1000 base T. D. None of these. Answer, B. 1000 base SX. 5. What is the hexadecimal equivalent of the Ethernet address? 010111010 0001001 0101001 0001100 10101010 0000111 A. 5A81BA81A0F. B. 5A11:55:18A0F. C. 5A88A18:55F0. D. 5A18:5A18:55:0F. Answer, B. 5A11:55:18A0F. 6. In Ethernet addressing, if all the bits are ones, the address is blank. A. Multicast. B. Broadcast. C. Unicast. D. None of these. Answer, B. Broadcast. 7. If an Ethernet destination address is 07:01:02:03:04:05, then this is a blank address. A. Broadcast. B. Unicast. C. Multicast. D. Any of these. Answer, C. Multicast. 8. Each station on an Ethernet network has a unique blank address imprinted on its network interface card, NIC. A. 48-bit. B. 32-bit. C. 5 byte. D. None of these. Answer, A. 48-bit. 9. Gigabit Ethernet has a data rate of blank Mbps. A. 10,000. B. 1,000. C. 100. D. 10. Answer, B. 1,000. 10. In the Ethernet frame, the blank field contains error detection information. A. Address. B. Preamble. C. CRC. D. None of these. Answer, C. CRC. 11. 100 base T4 uses blank line coding. A. 8B6T. B. Manchester. C. MLT3. D. NRZ. Answer, A. 8B6T. 12 blank uses long wave 1310 nanometers single mode fiber. A. 10G base E. B. 10G base S. C. 10G base L. D. None of these. Answer, C. 10G base L. 13 blank defines a protocol data unit, PDU, that is somewhat similar to that of HDLC. A. LLC. B. LLU. C. MAC. D. None of these. Answer, A. LLC. 14100 base TX uses blank block coding and blank line coding. A. 8B/10B, NRZ. B. 4B/5B, MLT3. C. 4B/5B, NRZ. D. 8B/10B, MLT3. Answer, B. 4B/5B, MLT3. 15 The blank sublayer is responsible for the operation of the CSMA/CD access method and framing. A. MAC. B. ME. C. LLC. D. None of these. Answer, A. MAC. 16 blank is the most widely used local area network protocol. A. Token bus. B. Ethernet. C. Token ring. D. None of these. Answer, B. Ethernet. 17 In Ethernet addressing, if the least significant bit of the first byte is 1, the address is blank. A. Multicast. B. Broadcast. C. Unicast. D. None of these. Answer, A. Multicast. 18 Gigabit Ethernet access methods include blank mode. A. Full duplex. B. Half duplex. C. Both, A. and B. D. Neither, A. nor B. Answer, C. Both, A. and B. 19 blank uses 4 pairs of voice grade, or higher, twisted pair cable. A. 100 base T4. B. 100 base FX. C. 100 base TX. D. None of these. Answer, A. 100 base T4. 20 Standard Ethernet, 10 Mbps, uses blank encoding. A. AMI. B. Manchester. C. NRZ. D. Differential Manchester. Answer, B. Manchester. 21 In blank, auto negotiation allows two devices to negotiate the mode or data rate of operation. A. 10 Gigabit Ethernet. B. Gigabit Ethernet. C. Fast Ethernet. D. Standard. Answer, C. Fast Ethernet. 22 If an Ethernet destination address is 08:07:06:05:4433, then this is a blank address. A. Broadcast. B. Unicast. C. Multicast. D. Any of these. Answer, B. Unicast. 23 blank uses shortwave 850 nanometers multi-mode fiber. A. 10G base E. B. 10G base L. C. 10G base S. D. None of these. Answer, C. 10G base S. 24. Which of the following could not be an Ethernet multicast destination? A. 7BAC1:23:4532. B. 7C56:21:1A to F4. C. 8332:21:21:4D34. D. B7:7B6C to 10:00. Answer, B. 7C56:21:1A to F4. 25. Blank uses thin coaxial cable. A. 10 base 2. B. 10 base 5. C. 10 base F. D. 10 base T. Answer, A. 10 base 2. 26. In the Ethernet, the blank field is actually added at the physical layer and is not, formally, part of the frame. A. Address. B. CRC. C. Preamble. D. None of these. Answer, C. Preamble. 27. Fast Ethernet has a data rate of blank Mbps. A. 10,000. B. 1,000. C. 100. D. 10. Answer, C. 100. 28. The purpose of the blank is to provide flow and error control for the upper layer protocols that actually demand these services. A. LLC. B. LLU. C. MAC. D. None of these. Answer, A. LLC. 29. Blank uses two pairs of twisted pair cable. A. 100 base T4. B. 100 base TX. C. 100 base FX. D. None of these. Answer, B. 100 base TX. 30. Blank uses fiber optic cable. A. 10 base 2. B. 10 base F. C. 10 base T. D. 10 base 5. Answer, B. 10 base F. 31. In Ethernet addressing, if the least significant bit of the first byte is 0, the address is blank. A. Broadcast. B. Multicast. C. Unicast. D. None of these. Answer, C. Unicast. 32. Blank uses 1550 mm single mode fiber. A. 10G base E. B. 10G base S. C. 10G base L. D. None of these. Answer, A. 10G base E. 33. 1000 base T uses blank line coding. A. MLT3. B. 4D PAM5. C. Manchester. D. 8B6T. Answer, B. 4D PAM5. 34. The maximum frame length for 10 Mbps Ethernet is blank bytes. A. 1200. B. 1518. C. 1500. D. None of these. Answer, B. 1518. 35. The minimum frame length for 10 Mbps Ethernet is blank bytes. A. 128. B. 80. C. 32. D. None of these. Answer, D. None of these. 36 blank uses two optical fibers and a long-wave laser source. A. 1000 base T. B. 1000 base SX. C. 1000 base LX. D. None of these. Answer, C. 1000 base LX. 37 The blank layer of Ethernet consists of the LLC sublayer and the MAC sublayer. A. Network. B. Data link. C. Physical. D. None of these. Answer, B. Data link. 38 100 base FX uses blank block coding and blank line coding. A. 8B/10B, NRZ. B. 4B/5B, MLT3. C. 8B/10B, MLT3. D. 4B/5B, NRZI. Answer, D. 4B/5B, NRZI. 39 Which of the following could not be an Ethernet unicast destination? A. 46:56:21:18 to F4. B. 43:7B6C to 10:00. C. 48:32:21:21:4D34. D. 44AC1:23:45:32. Answer, B. 43:7B6C to 10:00. 40 blank uses thick coaxial cable. A. 10 base 2. B. 10 base 5. C. 10 base F. D. 10 base T. Answer, B. 10 base 5. 41 The IEEE 802.3 standard defines blank CSMA/CD as the access method for first generation 10 Mbps Ethernet. A. Non-persistent. B. P-persistent. C. 1 persistent. D. None of these. Answer, C. 1 persistent. 42 blank uses 4 twisted pair cables that connect each station to a common hub. A. 10 base F. B. 10 base T. C. 10 base 5. D. 10 base 2. Answer, B. 10 base T.